Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Santander account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's now right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see. And on the search bar of your web browser, click over there and type in santander.co.uk like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Santander login in the Google itself and hit enter. You can see the santander.co.uk website appear in the first page of Google. Click over there and basically we will be opening the same website over here, so let's just close one and accept all the cookies to proceed to our login. And after that, after landing on the homepage of the santander.co.uk, you can see the log on or the register option over available over here. If you have not already registered on Santander, click on register and you'll be taken to the sign up page of Santander. Now to log into your Santander, just click on log on and you will be taken to the page where you will need to enter your details, log into your Santander online banking. Okay, let's let the page load first. The process to log into all of these business and personal and corporate account on Santander will be same. Now to log into your ID, just enter your personal ID over here, and after that enter your security number over here and click on this or accept this if you want to. If you want the computer to remember your ID, just click on that, or if you don't want the computer to remember your ID, uncheck that and hit on the log on button to log into your Santander account. Or if you have forgotten your details, just click on the forgotten details option and you will be taken to the page where you can regain your details for logging into your Santander account. And there guys, logging into your Santander account is this easy, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.